Hello artistic people, in this video we are going to draw Shahid Kapoor Sir's portrait with the help of grid method. But this grid method is quite unique. How? Because here I will increase the size of the grid. As I was taking 30 size 1 cell, here I will take 50 size 1 cell. So as it will be approximately 5.5 centimeter, so I will draw according to that. It will increase the size of the grid and the size of the box. Now I'll start drawing from the eye. Here I am using mechanical pencil of 0.5. Here is a trick that that generally if we have to draw a portrait correctly, so we have to draw small grids, but I have drawn here the big grids. Why? The reason behind, I am using this method as an observation method. How? Because when we draw with the broad grid, so it will give us an idea that what we have to draw in the big box, so that it will be easy in future that we will be able to draw freehand without much grid. We will have only 2 or 3 lines on the face, and then we can draw the portrait easily, because it will increase our observation skills that how to draw in a big box. So the trick here is, when you draw big box, so what happen here, you will have a observation method in which this method will be improve your drawing skill and the observational skill, because in making grids and erasing it, it will take much more time than freehand drawing. According to me. But in freehand there is much more detailing also, so maybe it will take more time there also. The funda here is, when you are drawing the background, so you can use the black part of the hair and the cloth, so that there is no need to make or shade the background. Use the tissue paper. Here I am using kneadable eraser to get the value, and 8B or 6B pencil to get the darker value in the eyebrows and also in the eyeballs. Just use the blending stem to get the darker shade of the image. You can rub it on the sandpaper. As grid method is generally used to make portrait realistic with a full measurement, or you can draw with the grid method to get the realistic portrait. But here I am using grid method to improve my observation skill, and a beginner can also improve his observational skill with the help of increasing the size of grid, so that in future when he would able to draw freehand, he will not need the grid at all, because there you will have just a one reference, or you will draw one horizontal and one vertical line to get the face part, and the horizontal line will be on the eye like this. So as there are big grids and the big boxes, so there is a big chance to get wrong proportions of the face. So don't worry about that, you are learning, okay? So let it be wrong, but the funda here is you have to understand what is good for you in future to draw freehand. This method can be used for that. As our portrait is completed, if you like the video, do subscribe to my channel, give it a big thumbs up, and also share it with your friend, and comment down which actor or leader or lessons do you want in future from me. Thank you so much for watching.